Hey everyone, just picked up this new Predator 13,000 watt tri-fuel generator from Harbor Freight. And I wanted to do a video on the digital display and what is displayed on that, because there's very little information in the manual. And I called Harbor Freight and they didn't know what to tell me about it except what's in the manual, which tells you that at certain times it will display, every 50 hours it will display maintenance intervals and suggestion, and if you go to the manual it'll suggest what to do for maintenance at that particular time. But basically what you have, I'll zoom in on the display here, is an SZB meter. That happens to be a company, so it's a model of meter by SZB that displays time, frequency, voltage, and I believe the B is the maintenance interval. So what's going to happen is when we turn it on, when it's at full speed, it'll show you the time, and it's going to give you the time since you started it, and then if you push the mode button it'll give you the time, the total cumulative time on the generator. And then if you and that's in hours. The time since you started it is in minutes and hours. And the frequency will display as well. And if it drops down, the frequency is based on the speed of the motor. So if it goes into the automatic idle down, if you have that turned on, it's going to drop to about 30 to 40 hertz. It tries to maintain about 60 hertz, which is what most stuff here in America is run on. And then the voltage, it'll give you two. When you push the mode, it'll say U, and it's not a U, it's a V, because it's the best they can do with this digital display. So it'll say U 240 for the 240 volt outlets, and it'll say U 120 for the 120 outlets. And it won't be exactly 120, it'll be something in the range. And then of course, if you have a maintenance interval due, that will show with a P and a 50 or 100 or 150 or 200, etc. And you can clear that if you don't want it to be there, or if you've already done the maintenance, or once you've done the maintenance, you can clear it by holding down the mode button for 5 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and start it here and point out, you won't hear me very well once it's started. I'll point out the different modes or the different displays that it's going to show on the digital display. So go ahead and turn it on and then push the start button. See when it idles down that the frequency will drop to approximately half what it is at full speed, maybe a little bit more. So right now the frequency is 40 hertz, but it'll jump back up as soon as you start to pull, or we'll put a load on the generator and it jumps back up in speed. So I'll turn that back off and go back up in speed. Push the load button again. That's total cumulative time of 106 hours on that particular generator. So that's the total cumulative, 106
meter's still displaying that 1 minute, so it'll jump to 2 in just a few seconds here. But that's the total rundown on the this. There we go. It just jumped to 2 minutes on the SCV meter. Don't ask me what that stands for. I have no idea what that SCV means. Hope to find it to